Hello everyone, my name is Kesar and I am going to be showing you a motion detector program which detects any moment in the video being captured by the built-in webcam of my laptop. And it also creates a CSV file with the start and the end times of the movements made. So now let's see how the motion detector works. I have written the program in Atom software and here it is. First we import all the necessary packages that we require and we define the parameters that we'll be using. We define a data frame with the start and the end column and the video is being captured by the webcam. We create an infinite loop and the video being read gives out a tuple and the variable frame reads the first frame of the webcam and the status is made 0. This first frame is grayscaled and Gaussian blurred, and the absolute difference is taken between the video being captured and the first frame. We then use a function called threshold which converts every value below 30 black and the rest white. And then it is dilated for smoothing purposes. We then find the contours using the copy of a threshold frame. And then we filter out all the contours that are greater than 10,000. We then make the status 1. The bounding box is drawn around the contours that we find and the statuses are appended onto a list. The date time of the start and the end frame are recorded by observing the last 2 items in the list. These date times are recorded in another list. Then we see a dialog box of each filter and Q is to be pressed to quit. Start and the end time are inserted onto a CSV file called times. Now let's see the code running. Now we have a CSV file with the start and the end time of all the movements made. It has the date, time and up to the millisecond. This was a motion detector. Thank you.